In a cluttered world, it's good to declutter. We surveyed over 1,000 people and found that Americans are ashamed of all the stuff they have piled up at home, especially Gen Z. It's no surprise that many people have trouble letting items go, citing sentimental value and future use as the biggest reasons for keeping their stuff. But going through your home is a good opportunity to make some space or even purge your unused or broken items, such as food, outdated meds, sports equipment, or old clothes. Getting rid of some of those extra things? Selling secondhand is how many people have turned clutter into cash. Using sites like Facebook Marketplace and eBay can reach more people and be more successful than a traditional yard sale. If selling isn't your bag, put it in a box. Donating items like clothes, technology, or unexpired dry goods is a great way to feel good about purging unused items. Decluttering has become super popular in the US. Most people admit to purging unnecessary items on a regular basis. Of course, there are some things you definitely don't want to be forced to toss. So, to prevent the frustration and high costs of having to purge broken or useless appliances, turn to Cinch Home Services. With Cinch protection plans in place, purge less of the big stuff and love using everything else more. Want to learn more about decluttering and making home feel more like home? Head to cinchhomeservices.com and check out our blog.